In maintaining the WINS database, the WINS console provides tools for maintaining the WINS server database. For example, you can use the WINS console to back up and restore WINS server database files. This should be done periodically in a way that is similar to other backup operations that are planned and used for saving files on a server computer. Scavenging and compaction are additional maintenance operations that can be used selectively to help reduce database size and reclaim disk space that is no longer used by the database. Dynamic compaction is performed automatically by WINS at periodic intervals. Manual compaction is not generally necessary. Backing up the database, the WINS console provides its own backup feature for backing up the WINS server database during normal operation. After you specify a backup directory for the database, WINS performs complete database backups every 24 hours by default. So before we back up the WINS database, we check first in the properties, general. Advanced tab, the database path, where the database is located, and then in the general tab, default backup path is we have to create a new folder here. The data backup. Click OK. And then we click OK as well here. And then choose backup database. Data backup. The database backup was completed successfully. Important note is do not specify a network drive as the backup location. In addition, if you change the WINS backup or database path in server properties, perform new backups to ensure successful future restorations of the WINS database. After you specify a backup folder for the database, WINS performs complete database backups every 24 hours using the specified folder. So, to restore the WINS database, we must stop WINS. All task and then stop. And then we delete all files in the folder path on the WINS server computer where you are restoring the database. So earlier it was in Systems 32 and then WINS. So we go there. There's data backup. So it says we have to delete these three in the original path. Then go back to WINS. And then click the server again, choose restore database, and then where you are going to click the same folder that was used previously to back up the local WINS database. So where did we back up the database? In the data backup folder. So click here. So the database can be restored, and it says the database restore was completed successfully. Click OK.